Meaning of early closing.
Early closing.
Early closing.
Early closing.
Early closing. Early closing refers to the decision of a business or organization to close earlier than its usual operating hours. This can be due to a number of reasons, such as staff shortages, maintenance work, or unforeseen circumstances. The result of early closing is that customers who intended to visit the establishment during its usual operating hours may be inconvenienced or forced to seek out alternative options. Additionally, the organization may suffer financial losses due to missed opportunities for sales or customer interactions.